Hi, this is Stephanie, One Adventure Traveler. I have my latest creation. It's called the Travel Packing List. This is a list that I use every time I travel. I don't want to forget anything. And there's also room for you to add more on the list and also a to-do list at the very, very bottom. It's only 1 page long. It comes with some color, but it is a PDF file. All you need to do is purchase it from Etsy and it's ready for immediate download. If you have any difficulties, just give me a call or text or email. I think it's email, and then I will be able to help you. But this is the travel packing list, and it's 1 page PDF file and it's ready to go. So don't forget your bathing suit on your next trip, and look for some more adventures and travel itineraries, travel tips, lists, all that from me, One Adventure Traveler. Happy travels. Make sure that you remember life is short. Go out and have an adventure. Bye.